Early inpatient post-vaginal delivery, acute perineal program. If your perineum is sore or swollen, there are some things you can do to make it feel much better and heal much faster. Your midwife can show you how to prepare and apply ice packs. Wrap the ice pack in a thin piece of dampened cloth and then place the ice pack flat along your underwear, providing ice to the perineum. Alternatively, ice packs can be placed in the inside of a sanitary pad. Use ice regularly, leaving it on for 10 minutes at a time and reapplying each hour if required. Continue applying ice while it is effectively reducing your pain and/or swelling, but continue for at least the first 24 to 48 hours. Ask your midwife to show you where the ice packs are kept. Rest by lying down for a minimum of 20 to 40 minutes of each hour. This allows the swelling in the perineum to reduce, which assists with healing and comfort. Sitting and standing for long periods increases swelling and pain. Do 3 or 4 gentle pelvic floor pulses each hour to assist circulation and healing. Doing these after ice packs while you are lying down is great. You shouldn't aim to hold, just gently draw in, then release. Sit for short periods only. Avoid ring cushions or rolled towels. Although they reduce discomfort, they make your swelling a lot worse. Draw in the pelvic floor before and as you move. This protects the perineum from pressure. Draw in more strongly if you need to cough, blow your nose, etc. And you might find that giving your perineum some support with your hand helps you to feel much safer during these strenuous activities. To allow your bowels to move easily or even to pass wind, try sitting on the toilet in the following position. Sit down comfortably on the seat. Keep the curve in your back as you lean forward from the hips, just as far as comfortable. Lean through your hands or forearms onto your thighs. Let your feet stay flat or come up onto the balls of your feet, whichever feels easier for you. Allow your abdomen to relax forward. When moving your bowels, you can use some toilet paper or a clean pad to gently support your stitches. Do not hold your breath or strain. Just relax and take your time.